Hello friends, welcome to all in my YouTube channel. I am CA Divya Kurtarkar and today I will be discussing on provision of TDS, that is section 194N. Now this section 194N is a newly inserted section with effect from 1st September 2019. First of all, let us understand why this section was introduced. The main purpose is to discourage the cash transactions and move towards cashless economy. Section 194 is introduced to deduct tax on cash withdrawals made by any person from the bank or post office account. Now let us discuss who will deduct TDS. So every banking company, cooperative societies working as banking company and post offices will deduct TDS on cash withdrawals in excess of rupees 1 crore. So the rate of TDS applicable is 2% only when the aggregate of amount of cash withdrawals during the previous year exceeds rupees 1 crore. Here, if a person holds saving account as well as a current account, then the limit of rupees 1 crore should be considered on aggregate of amount of cash withdrawals made by such person. However, this section is introduced with effect from 1st September 2019 onwards. The CBDT has also issued a press release dated 30th August 2019, which specifies that cash withdrawal prior to 1st September 2019 is not subject to TDS under Section 194N. Further, the CBDT clarifies that the section specifies previous year. The term previous year means the calculation of cash withdrawal should be considered from 1st April 2019 onwards. And if a person has already withdrawn cash of rupees 1 crore before 31st August 2019, then TDS at the rate 2% shall apply to all the subsequent cash withdrawals made on or after 1st September 2019. Hello friends, now let us understand this provision with the example. Suppose we take example 1 in which Mr. A has his bank account, one saving account and another is current account. In financial year 1920 up to 31st August 2019, he withdraws rupees 1 crore 10 lakhs from his saving account and 1 crore 15 lakhs from his current account. And after 1st September 2019 onwards, he withdraws 1 crore 5 lakhs from his saving account and 55 lakhs from his current account. So, in this case, amount withdrawn from saving account is rupees 2 crore 15 lakhs and from his current account is rupees 1 crore 70 lakhs. So, total cash withdrawn for the previous financial year is 3 crores 85 lakhs. Now here the limit of rupees 1 crore cash will withdrawn is already done before 1st September 2019, but TDS will be deducted only on the amounts withdrawn on or after 1st September 2019 as per the provision. So TDS needs to be deducted on rupees 1 crore 60 lakhs into 2%, which is equal to 3 lakhs 20,000. हमने देख लिया है एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1. नाउ वी गो टू एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2. सपोज मिस्टर बी also has two bank account. One is saving account and another is current account. Cash withdrawal in financial year 1920 up to 31st August 2019 from saving account is rupees 29 lakhs and from current account is rupees 55 lakhs. And after 1st September 2019 onwards, cash withdrawal is rupees 1 crore 5 lakhs from saving account and 65 lakhs from current account. Similarly, also in financial year 2021, 1 crore 20 lakhs cash withdrawal from saving account and 5 lakhs cash withdrawn from current account. So now here in financial year 1920, cash withdrawn from saving account is rupees 1 crore 34 lakhs and cash withdrawn from current account is rupees 1 crore 20 lakhs. So total amount of cash withdrawal is 2 crore 54 lakhs. Now here in this case, before September 19, the limit of rupees 1 crore is not exceeded. So while calculating TDS on cash withdrawal, we have to consider the aggregate amount, that is rupees 2 crores 54 lakhs minus rupees 1 crore, the threshold limit. So on the balance rupees of rupees 1 crore 54 lakhs into 2%, so TDS amount is rupees 3 lakh 8,000, which is deducted. Similarly, in financial year 2021, total cash withdrawn is rupees 1 crore 25 lakhs minus rupees 1 crore. So on balance amount of rupees 25 lakhs into 2%, 50,000 will be the TDS deducted. Further, we proceed with the discussion to whom this section 194N is not applicable. This section is not applicable to central and state government. That means if central and state government withdraws cash, this section is not applicable. Secondly, bank, cooperative bank, post offices, banking correspondent, white label ATM operators, and other persons notified by government in consultation with RBI. Now, for the financial year 2021, government came up with an amendment in section 194N with effect from 1st July 2020. It states that if any person not filed income tax return for last 3 assessment years, then the limit of rupees 1 crore to be reduced to rupees 20 lakhs. That means TDS from 20 lakhs to 1 crore will be deducted at the rate 2% and above rupees 1 crore at the rate 5%. Now, friends, here the question comes in the mind. If a person has filed income tax return in 1 out of 3 assessment years, then this amendment is not applicable. Here we discuss with viewpoint of deductee, that is bank account holder's point of view in the Income Tax Act 1961. If TDS is deducted on cash withdrawals, then is this TDS credit available, and if yes, is that credit be carried forward to the next assessment year? Now here the CBDT has issued a notification stating that the person in whose name bank account is there, that is the bank account holder, will get TDS credit and only for that relevant previous year. It further states that credit is allowed in the year of deduction itself and deductee cannot carry forward the TDS to the next assessment. Now, reason for such restrictions on carry forward of credit is because the amount of cash withdrawal cannot be considered as income of the assessee, and the sole purpose to introduce this section 194N is to discourage the cash transaction. As per the announcement made by the Finance Minister dated 13th May 2020, in order to provide funds to taxpayers, TDS and TCS rates shall be reduced at the rate of 25% for the financial year 2021 and it will be valid till 31st March 2021. I hope you liked it. Do like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you.